Don't mind me, I'm just driving down my driveway. This is not a road, don't fret. I'm not filming and driving on a public road, just my house. Anyways, this weekend I am heading down to Princeton, which is about 3 hours away from where I am, up in the mountains a little bit. And anyways, I am doing a clinic there, so I'm going to be teaching people, but I'm heading up a couple days before the clinic starts, so we're going to get there like tomorrow early evening, and I'm going to be bringing Milo and Pistachio, so that should be fun. It'll give Pistachio some more experience on trails and kind of heading out places. And Milo hasn't really gone anywhere, like not for like a weekend like this in like probably 3+ years. So that'll be exciting. My mom's gonna be riding Pistachio, and then we're planning to do some trail riding and whatnot. And then I'm teaching Saturday and Sunday, and then we might do some trails after the clinic, depending on how long it runs and how we're feeling. But yeah, it's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna vlog the process of that and getting ready for that, and like organizing my trailer and then loading up the horses and taking them on this trip. It's gonna be the longest like amount of time that I've like trailered my own horses outside of the Mustangs, which I don't really count because that was just to get them home. It wasn't to like take them to an adventure. So anyways, yeah, let's get started. This is the before for the tack room, which is a mess. This is my funny bumper stickers, and then this is the tack room when we are mostly packed with lots of hay, probably more than I'll need, and hay nets and everything. Almost there, just need a few more things. Okay, we're just about ready to go. We have their cookies, their buckets, saddles. I just need to grab the dressage saddle, bridles, girths, lots of hay, probably way more than what we'll need, but better safe than sorry. Ropes, hay nets, treat pouch, hoof boots, target stick, and helmets. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get the dressage, and then we have brushes underneath all that stuff, and yeah. Okay, I'm all hitched, so now we're just gonna need to load the horses. I'm just gonna pull the trailer up a little bit to make things a little easier for them, give them a straight run at it. Trailer, everything's packed. Milo. Okay, he's just waiting, and then we'll load him after.
Good man. Yeah. Good dude. Good doodly dude. Okay, Poostache, it's your turn. Love the treats. Oh, so smart. I know, because he says, I'm a little dude. I'm a little dude. He's getting his cookie. Good job. Oh, hop. That was cute. He did a little hippity hop. What a good boy. A good little spotty man.
Jeez, it's hella windy. We're just gonna give an old checkaroo. Do you need hay? Do you need hay? Milo, how you doing? He needed hay. A little bit nervous, but they're doing really well. They've been in the trailer for like 2 hours. 1 more hour to go. Oh yeah, Frosty. Oh, he looks so good. He's moving really well. That's Frosty, Mom. And Eldora. You're like... You're so cute. What's your dog's name?
Martha.
Oh, she's so soft.
That unfortunately just passed away.
And so much fun. Oh, wow. So much excitement. Pistachio looks like he's like, I'm just going to go eat now. That's what I want.
Yeah, Milo's like, I want to run more. Way bigger than that. Hello. Oh, what do you think?
That's probably
And hidden by trees. I don't know why. We actually were getting those logs.
So now it's dinner time. They're getting Tums because they just had a 3-hour trailer ride. Come on! Come on! Come on, sir! They don't even want to come for their dinner. They're too curious. Check out this view when I walk right out of my bedroom. Good morning. I missed him nickering at me. Hi! How was your sleep? Hi, sir. What do you think? What do you think? Do you want a flake of hay? You guys eat your alfalfa? You guys remember Frosty, the thoroughbred that I got off the racetrack a little while ago? That's Frosty. His name is now Georgie. And he's doing super well. There's Mr. Pistachio. Hi, sir. Are they?
This one's really cute because what this one does is when it decides if you ignore it, then it puts its leg up to let you know it should do some more.
Hi, goats. I wonder what their names are. I forgot the pin for my GoPro holder, so I had to jimmy rig it with this little twig and some tape. So let's hope it holds, otherwise I'll owe my friend a new GoPro because I already lost my other one. We are going to be taking them on a trail ride to the Kettle Valley Railway Road. See how they are. Right, boys? Stand. Behave. We're at the parking lot to start the ride, the caboose parking lot. This is my bag, poorly attached to the saddle.
Should I get on?
Like he literally hacks out the same whether he has a friend or not, which is so cool. Because very few horses can do that, and like rightfully so, because it would be way scarier. Oh my god, my little trips. Yeah, they're rather follow than be left alone. This pony is insane. God. When we get to the head of the tunnel, give him a cookie.
Here I am in Princeton riding on my little Poostache, and coming up ahead, which is kind of exciting, is we're going to be going through that tunnel We are on the Kettle Valley Rail, KVR, Kettle Valley Railroad Trail, Railway Trail. And here is behind me, Beanbag and Shelby. So they're not sure at this point in time. I think Pustache is stopping for a poo. That's a good idea. Well, he's decided this is where he stops, and that's okay. He picks his spot. Oh, you did? Okay, hang on. Pistachio's being brave. The entrance of the tunnel says Shelby.
I'll get on for the way back.
Okay. Well, my little Pustache seems like he would like to go. Or he was going. Come on.
I'll get a photo of you because I'm going to get on for the way back. I'll get on for the way back. Good man. I got off to walk him because Milo has some vision loss in the left eye. There's another penis on the wall. Very artistic. Pooping. Okay, I'll just take these off over your head. I think he's so good.
In the pitch dark in the tunnel. It's really cool here.
Yeah. Good boys. Good man, Milo. You're so good. I know. Is it so scary? I know. Stop for a second. Pistachio's like, I'm just gonna keep trucking along. Pistachio, you're the best man ever. Yeah, I know. Come on, it's okay. Wait. Good boy. Come on. Come on, Milo. Good boy. Come on, Milo. Good boy, Pistachio. Pistachio, you're such a good little man. We're gaining confidence the further we go in.
The fact that I can ride him through this is pretty cool, man. I think Pistachio is being amazing because it is a long tunnel, man. It's a long tunnel. Dirt here? Oh no, it looked like it changed to dirt, but it is paved. Still, not that it would matter. Look guys, it's the end. Look, you're getting closer. This is amazing. Good boy, Pustache, the best pony. If anyone thinks that this pony isn't amazing, you're wrong. This is the best pony ever. Yeah, one-handed. I'm one-handed, folks, and I'm an old lady. And this is a 4-year-old pony. And 5, sorry, my bad. 5-year-old green bean.
Yeah, someone should buy them. Yeah, look at how confident the walk back is. We'll see if it stops when we get to the head of the tunnel. Pistachio is literally the best. Huh? Okay, one sec. Pistachio is literally the best pony ever. Good boy. That was so brave. Jesus. I know he's coming. Don't put the best pony ever.
I am amazed by this pony. This is just a rock star of a pony. 1961 tunnel.
Boy.
Wow, Milo. Look at him entering like a rock star.
So brave.
Oh, he's so good. This is so cool. And then there's a lot of graffiti, kind of looking cool. This is my phone. Good boy, Pistachio. Hi. I would imagine not. One would think. I mean, maybe you are. But I thought it was like I thought it said no, like, mechanized vehicles. Oh. Look at him going through the light spots too, like a brave boy.
Yeah, the level of improvement from the first
Pistachio's walk is really quite marchy and wonderful for a little pone. He says, I go. This is pretty cool. I'm temporarily switching, so
The best man ever, Bridleless, through an old train tunnel.
come on, let's go. Milo is checking out the love sign. Yep. Oh yeah, way better. Good boy, Pistachio, good.
The best boy, both of them. This is very, very good.
Come on, Marchy Pants, let's keep marching. And he's not. He says I go cuddle with Milo Bean, like a pack horse.
I know there's things blowing on the ground. There's things on the ground. Okay, and then I'll just take what, if you grab a photo of me standing in front of it, that'd be perfect. Good boy. He's like looking at all these things blowing on the ground, like what the hell are those?